Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a product from the Christian Dior brand. But you can see for the packaging, this one is definitely very unique. It's not like your normal packaging. Usually the packaging should look something like this with the ribbon on it. Whereas for the design for this one looks like a cheetah or leopard design, which is pretty cool. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside. So if you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside right here, they do give you guys a little envelope with a return label inside if you guys need to return it. Next thing inside, they do give you guys a little bag to store your stuff inside if you guys do want to. You can see the inside is actually pretty spacious, where you put a good amount of stuff inside. Top part right here, you can see it does say Christian Dior Paris. And then right here, we do have the wrapping. So let's open up and show you guys what's included. So once you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So right here, you can see they do give you guys a little pouch that does say Christian Dior Paris. If you guys do open it, inside we do have some sample that I picked myself. So right here we do have the salvage elixir option, which is travel size option. Next thing right here we do have a cream option, which is sample size as well. And right here we do have another skincare product that's travel size and miniature bottle. Let's open up to show you guys what she looks like. So it's basically like a little mini size option that's used to test out. So it's supposed to help with anti-aging. So those are all the different samples that's included in the small little bag. Next up right here we do have another gift that's provided. You can see for this one, it actually looks pretty nice. It actually has a very soft kind of material that's on here that looks very high quality as well. That has a CD in the front, Christian Dior. And when you guys do open it, inside we do have some stuff. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. But if you guys do take this part out, inside they do provide guys some sample size option and the miniature bottle for you to use to test it out to see what actually like it first. So one of them is like a serum and one of them is like a cream option. So that way you can try it out first to see whether or not you guys like it or not before you guys purchase like the bigger bottle. And that is everything that's included inside right here. And then right underneath that, you can see they do give you guys a little pillow option that's very cool. And you can see how it does say Christian Dior Paris on here, which is pretty unique. And then the very last thing that's included inside right here is the main product that I purchased. So right here in front, you can see we do have the brand name Christian Dior Paris. And basically what this is a discovery scent. So you can see in the back part right here, they tell you guys what's included. So there should be a total of 7 different perfumes that's on here. 1 liquid hand soap, 1 body cream, and 1 scented candle. And like I mentioned, they do provide guys all the information right here. And right here as well for the candle option. And for the top part right here, it does say CD. So let's do take it out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So here's the front and here's the top. If you guys to open up, that is what the inside looks like. And you guys want to take this part out as well. Once you guys take that part out, you guys want to pull this part down as well. So that way you can get a better view of everything that's inside. And inside right here, you can see they do probably has a little piece of paper. If you guys to open up, it basically explains to you guys what is actually inside right here. And then right here is basically what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, they basically provide you guys 7 of the perfume on here. 1 liquid hand soap, 1 body cream, and 1 scented candle. But you can see the design of the product definitely looks pretty nice and it looks very high quality as well. But let's try it out and see what it smells like for each one of them. So let's try this one right here first. So for this one right here, it definitely has a pretty strong smell to it. It has a little bit of like a spicy scent to it that's very unique. For me personally, I don't think it's my kind of scent. But if you guys like that spicy kind of scent, it is pretty good. Next up, let's try this one. So this one also has a little bit of a spicy scent to it. But you get a lot more of that rose scent on here that smells really good. So you definitely get a little bit more of that floral scent on here compared to the other one. Next up, let's try this one. Ooh. So this one is very intense. It gives you guys like that instant kind of smoky scent when you guys do smell it. It kind of reminds me of like alcohol scent immediately when I do smell it, but it is very intense. This one is definitely not the one for me, but if you guys want it, feel free to go check it out. Next one, let's try this one with a spice blend. So this one is not as strong as the other one, but you do smell a little bit of like a rum scent on here, which is pretty interesting. So if you guys want to smell a little bit like rum, this one's actually pretty nice. And for this one, you guys don't only smell like that rum kind of scent, but there's like a little bit like a peppery scent as well. This one is probably not ideal for me, but if you guys want to check it out, feel free to do so. Next one, let's try this one. So this one smells a lot more lighter compared to the other one that just smelled in terms of rum option and spicy option. If I had to compare all the other ones that I tested out so far, this is probably one of the ones that I probably will use. It doesn't have like a really strong scent, but it definitely leaves a trail afterward when you guys do smell it. Now let's try this one. So for this one, I actually like it a lot. I think this is probably one of my favorite ones so far out of all 6 of them. And the reason why is because immediately when you guys do smell it, it has like a really strong jasmine scent, which I like a lot because I love drinking like jasmine tea. I love the scent of jasmine. There's something about this one that makes it smell really good, especially if you guys are like me and you guys love the jasmine scent. This one's actually pretty nice. And then for the last one that we do have right here is this one. So when you guys smell, this one's actually pretty good. I don't see myself using this one, but if you guys like something that smells really floral and very fruity, then this one's actually pretty nice. Like immediately when I do smell it, it definitely smells very floral. It has a little bit like a strawberry scent when you guys do smell it. And it's probably not just strawberries, but maybe some kind of berry scent. So that is this one. So I think between all 7 of the perfume that I tested out so far, this jasmine one is probably my favorite one out of all of them. And then this is probably my second one, and here is my third one, if I had to rank between all 7 of them. But now let's see what the other one smells like for the hand soap option, the candle option, and the cream option. So let's try the hand soap first. So right here we do have the hand soap. So for the hand soap, it definitely smells pretty strong. It smells exactly like the fragrance option, which is right here. So it basically smells the same as this one because the scent that's on here is the same. Now let's see whether or not we can smell the cream. So when you guys open the cream, this is what it looks like. And this one is basically the same scent as the one that I just showed you guys for the hand soap. But when you guys do smell it, it's a little bit different, but it's a little bit more mild because it is like a cream texture, not so much like a fragrance. So I believe you're supposed to apply this onto your skin to keep it smooth and also moisturized as well, since it is like a body cream. And then the last thing that's inside right here is the candle option. Let me see, this is one that we do have. And when you guys do smell it, it definitely smells really good. Like when you guys smell it, even before you guys do light it up, it has this very kind of warmy smell, but also like a spicy scent as well. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. And obviously when you guys do use it, you guys want to use it somewhere that's safe. You don't want to catch on fire or anything. But that is what the product looks like inside. And that is basically everything that's included in this set. So whether if you guys want to get it as a gift for yourself or if you guys want to get it for someone else, however you guys want to use it and whoever you guys want to get it for, that is totally up to you guys. But I can see from like the packaging to the product and everything else, it's actually pretty cool. And I love the fact how they do give you guys a small little travel size or sample size right here for you guys to actually test it out. So that way you guys know whether or not you guys want the product before you guys do buy it. One thing that I do wish about this product is the fact that it made it a little bit bigger, because the product, when you guys look at it, is actually pretty small. And the price that you're paying for this is actually pretty expensive for something that's so small. I read a lot of reviews about people how they do purchase the same exact thing and they wish how the candle or some of the products on here is slightly bigger, or maybe they could decrease the price a little bit to make it more affordable because it's a little bit pricey for what you guys are paying for, especially since it is so small. But for me, honestly, I don't think it's a huge issue because like I mentioned, you guys can actually try a little bit of everything on here before you guys buy like the big thing. Like even for the candle option, I feel like after I do test this out, I will probably buy the bigger one because number one, it is cute, but it also has that very strong scent on here. So that way, if you guys want to make your room smell a lot better, you definitely have the option available. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality discovery kit that give you guys everything that's on here in terms of the packaging, the different sample size option on here, and all the other gifts that I show you guys in the unboxing video, that I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.